with Sherwin Gloston of Comfort Systems USA. Thank you for being with us.
Thank you, Blair.
Tell us a little bit about Comfort Systems USA and your business.
Well, once again, my name is Sherwin Gloston with Comfort Systems USA here in Augusta, and we do commercial heating and cooling. Typically, when we speak with a facility maintenance engineer or a director of operations or CEO, they have some frustration sometimes when it comes to things being fixed right the first time, which often leads to more repairs. Some are even upset with vendors when it comes to incorrect billing or poor communication, and some even feel like they're not important when it comes to lack of response to their needs for service. So I don't know if anyone in the CSRA is actually dealing with those issues or something's relevant in your world, but we here at Comfort Systems would like to know your perspective of what you see when it comes to the impacts on your heating and cooling as it may affect your employees' experience, the equipment's experience, as well as your customers' experience. So please reach out to Comfort Systems so that we can be of any support in any way to help you optimize and maximize your business with your heating and cooling.
Awesome. Well, it sounds like Comfort Systems offers a really valuable service to our businesses here in the community and helps streamline efficiencies while taking a customer service oriented approach. And we love to hear of businesses like that and appreciate you being a member of the chamber and seeing the importance of that. If you wouldn't mind, share a little bit about your reasons for choosing to join.
Well, my reasons for choosing the Augusta Chamber of Commerce were for networking reasons. It allowed me to get in front of a lot of different businesses here in Augusta to basically do like a mingle and mesh. And the Chamber of Commerce offers mingle and mesh events, which gives you an opportunity to, like I said, to network with those other businesses, get exposure. That was my main reason for wanting to join the Chamber of Commerce.
Great. Well, we do have lots of networking opportunities, and we like to tell businesses that it truly is an investment to join in your membership dues, that over time and in attending these networking events, it will more than recover the cost by the business that you're able to develop and the people you're able to meet. So thank you for recognizing that and the importance of the credibility behind being a member of the Chamber and all of the many reasons for joining. What would you say to a company that's thought about joining but hasn't yet joined?
I would say for the budding entrepreneur to the already existing corporation here in the Augusta area, that it is most definitely pivotal that you join the Augusta Chamber of Commerce for those networking reasons, for brand recognition, for visibility. It gives you that opportunity to be just connected with the community, and that's what it always comes down to, is the connection with the community.
Thank you. Thank you so very much for being with us today, and it was a pleasure to be with you today.
Thank you so much, Blair.